Excitement brewing for Colorado Parks and Wildlife. Those squeaks that you just heard are 5-day-old black-footed ferret kits. The endangered species being raised right now and call the National Black-footed Ferret Conservation Center in Colorado home for now. Black-footed ferrets are important because they're the only ferret species native to North America, preying mostly on prairie dogs and providing food for raptors and other night hunters. CPW found their first wild-born kit in 2015 and more after that. Some pretty cute video there.
Assalamualaikum. Hey guys.
My name is Dinesh Iman.
My name is Amir Faiz bin Amri Faizal. I am Farazaim bin Mazlan.
Today, we group 1 from S15 will share to you all about one of the most endangered species, which is black-footed ferret.
Black-footed ferret is a bird and fluffy predator that exists in North America.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are from Endangered. And today we are going to look into one specific animal named black-footed ferret, or scientific name Stella nicutis. Black-footed ferret is a small carnivorous animal that has a tube-shaped body, usually lengthened between 18 to 24 inches, which with their tails adding another 6 inches. Their weight usually range from 1.5 pound to 2.5 pound. Black-footed ferret has a special characteristic in which they have a black marking on their body, especially their face, their feet, and their tails. These black markings makes them look like a burglar and makes them a little cute and funny. Black-footed ferret mainly live near the burrow and eat dog berry. Okay, for the next point, the black-footed ferret is also native to the North American Great Plains, which is located in America. It is also native to the southern Canada and also North Mexico. For an example, places like Wyoming, South Dakota, Montana, and Arizona, which is the place of the black-footed ferret is native. For your information also, black-footed ferret also plays a vital role of being a key indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Without them, the ecosystem will become imbalanced and there will be shortages in animals and also food source. The black-footed ferret also helps in managing the prairie dog populations in the Great Plains, while their sound being a source of food to owls, coyotes, and badgers.
So we've done, I think, a tremendous job so far in recovering the black-footed ferret. So we have a ways to go with that.
This species has become endangered because much of the short-crest ferret habitat has been flooded from crowds. As for your information, ferret is the main source food for this species, black-footed ferret. Many actions that have been taken for conservation, which are: first, relocating prairie dogs to increase the ferret's habitat, and the second one, mitigate cervitic plague on prairie dog colonies to keep the population of the prairie dog as the main source food of this black-footed ferret.
More than anything, the fate of the ferrets depends on the prairie dogs. There's been no sign of a plague as of yet, but the park has decided to start dusting for fleas anyway. By August end, 1/3 of the
There are many ways we can enhance the conservation statistics that are based in our But we can support conservation program by donate or volunteer to the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) or the Defenders of Wildlife or your local conservation program for black-footed ferrets. You can also help by monitoring breeding and habitat restoration for the black-footed ferrets. Other than that, you can help by adopting black-footed ferrets and conserving their food. The next one is by we can enhance the conservation program by supporting the prairie dog conservation. As we know, the prairie dog is the main source of food for the black-footed ferret. So we can help the black-footed ferret by conserving this prairie dog, and so that we can release the prairie dog in the west, and this become the main source of food again for the black-footed ferret. The last one is to rest corona. As we know, with black-footed ferret contributes a lot. It's the whole ecosystem. So we can help the conservation programs by raising the public awareness. For that, other people can join the conservation effort by donating or volunteering in the conservation program.
That are here today. This is a special moment.
This special moment saw the recovery of the black-footed ferrets take several steps forward as 25 of the endangered animals were released on SV Ranch in northern Arizona.
Yeah, and they shouldn't get punished for it. And that's why we work so well with folks like this.
Well, I think it's exciting that there's a safe harbor agreement that allows private landowners to participate in these types of projects, because I think there are a lot of landowners who would like to, but you certainly don't want to.
The recovery of the black-footed ferret was one that almost didn't happen. By the 1970s, they were thought to be extinct until a small population was discovered in Meeteetse, Wyoming in 1981. Biologists monitored the colony until a disease outbreak in 1985 wiped out all but 18 ferrets. At that point, the survivors were captured, and a breeding program began to try to save the species. The descendants of the original 18 ferrets have now been reintroduced into 21 recovery sites in the western United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Well, Ferret ranches, their values definitely drive them towards conservation. So for us to participate in things like the release of black-footed ferret, responsibility and obligation to the land, so that when we're done at the end of the day, we feel very good about it.
Shared values between governmental agencies, federal and state, shared values with Native American nations, shared values with a family that's honored to be stewards of land that they've owned for many, many generations.
That's all from us. Thank you.
We really hope that this video can help all of you to realize the importance of conserving black-footed ferret. Make sure to join the conservation effort to prevent the extinction of this species.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.